Okay, let's do this question 17. You have a standard normal already, so there is no need to use a formula transformation. Tak perlu. Kita sekarang ni kita memang dah diberi Z. So kita just kena fixkan, kita just kena ubahkan modulus ni menjadi sesuatu yang lebih bermakna, iaitu Z is in between negative K and K. Okay, saya direct je. Because I believe you all is good in this already, so don't forget equals to 0.85 over there. So kita sekarang ni ada dua jenis K lah, satu positif dan satu negatif K, disebabkan kita mempunyai modulus sign ni. So in this case, dekat sini kita dah faham kita mempunyai bell shape di mana okay, always start with 0, tengah-tengah sentiasa begitu. Then we have K from the left, negative K dekat kiri, positive K belah kanan. Therefore, the region is in the middle. Okay, how do we get this region in the middle here? Macam mana? So, sebenarnya saya dah explain dah pun video saya. Saya dah explain dah pun kenapa reasonnya di sini. Kenapa formulanya adalah, okay, let me write it down, ya. My answer is Z is more than negative K. Okay, negative K tolakkan dengan probability of Z is more than K, which is equals to 0.85. Okay, so kenapa begini? Kenapa tolak? It's because negative K to the right minuskan dengan K to the right. Therefore, we got the middle region. That's how we do it. Okay, that's the reason. But now, dalam table standard normal, kita tak ada negative sign. Kita tak ada negative dalam table. None. Look at here, on the left here. None. Everything here is positive. And so, we gotta change this thing lah. We gotta change that thing into an understanding saying that, okay, kalaulah K dekat kiri, negative K dekat kiri, and then dia more than pula tu, dia more than, we have to shade on the right hand side, betul tak? So do you know that this is equivalent, this shade is also equivalent to tengok saya lukis, to having a K, positive K, tetapi saya lorek ke arah kiri. Tapi kenapa saya nak lorek ke arah kiri ya? Kenapa saya lorek ke arah kiri? Sebab saya faham this is like major area tau. Major area takkan saya nak lorek belah kanan. This is minor area. This is small area and this is a big area. So of course it's equivalent. What we did is just only reflect. Bila kita reflect, kita dapat positif nilai. Bila kita dapat positif nilai, satu kelebihan untuk kita untuk mencari this big region, we just got a minus right hand side here. Therefore, 1 minus probability of Z is more than K. Therefore, we're going to get this thing kalau kita buat 1 minus. So dekat situ, it's an intelligence lah. It's a smart thinking where you don't have to hafal but you understand them. Okay, so I just gonna place it here for a moment. And then I straight away understand that this is 1 minus probability of Z is more than K. Terus je buat sebab kita boleh nampak kan. So minus Z is more than K is equals to 0.85. So dekat sini you boleh solvekan bahagian yang belakang ni, which gonna give you 1 minus 2. Kenapa 2? Sebab ada dua perkara yang sama. This is 1, right? So you got 2 probability of Z more than K, which is equals to 0.85. And then you simplify it. Okay, you simplify, you're gonna get 0.15 over there. And then P Z more than K is equals to 0.075. And therefore, dekat sini, you boleh guna table. Use table. So, dekat sini, you can use table use table but not checking at the K. Of course lah, K benda kita kena cari. We do not know what is our K, but we do have probability-nya. Dan Miss, alamak, probability-nya dekat mana? Jangan takut, probability-nya hanya di sini saja. Okay, probability-nya hanyalah di dalamnya. Can you see inside here? Inside here, this is all its probability. What you need to do is just find 0.07 first. 0.07 berada di bawah. Okay, 0.07 ni ha. This is the area of 0.07, but find 0.075, which is very close to it. This is 0.075. Okay, walaupun 49 ni, it's a 49, but you bundakan sikit. You round it, and you're gonna get 0.075. Therefore, find, you gotta highlight this. I think we gotta highlight this, and then we gotta check what is the value of K. Tengok paling hujung dan paling hujung. Okay, tengok sini lah. Tengok sini, hujung kiri ni adalah 1.4 dan belah atas adalah 0.04. Therefore, in this case, we know that our K value is 1.44. Dan just like that, by knowing its probability, kita boleh cari K pula. Dan question A. Okay, question B pula. So B is modulus Z is more than or equals to K. Okay, so now dekat sini, alamak, more than pula. Tadi less than boleh buat in between. See, this less than, this less than we can do it in between. This is called in between. Tapi kalau more than pula, Miss, macam mana ni, Miss? So this thing is what you have to recall during our first semester punya syllabus kot. Okay, di mana nak memecahkan Z ni, dia akan menjadi satu ke arah kanan or satu ke arah kiri dengan syarat bersama negative sign. And then you put the probability. And then make it equals to 0.1. Okay, so dekat sini, dekat belah kiri tak ada masalah. Dekat belah kiri is fine here. Dekat belah kiri is perfectly fine. But belah kanan kita ada masalah sikit dengan less than or equal ni lah. But there is nothing wrong about it at all. What you have to do is just draw a bell shape. Okay, draw a bell shape. When you draw a bell shape here, negative K dekat kiri, and then shade the region. Shade the region, dia ke arah kiri. So, shade the region to the left. But this, when you reflect it, it means it's equivalent. Bila dia equivalent, dia punya drawing akan jadi, drawingnya K belah kanan, positive K lah. Reflect mesti dapat positive K, and then disebabkan this is like 10% minor region, this is a minor area, so of course you got your shade on the right hand side instead. Okay, reflectkan dia. Therefore, this thingy is actually probability of Z is more than or equals to K. So there is nothing wrong. And saya terus tahu this is probability of Z is more than or equals to K. It's equivalent because of this drawing. So you gotta lukis lah. Bila you lukis, sangat jelas pada kamu yang dia reflect dan you berjaya dapatkan dia positive K. And then lagi satu info bagusnya tentang OR ni adalah the word OR means we have plus. And then salin je lah yang depan punya. Bahagian depan tak ada masalah. Right? So since they are just the same, which is equals to 0.1, don't be afraid to just plus it together. 1 plus 1 is 2. And remember, ada equal, tak ada effect. So, don't confuse yourself. They are just the same because they are continuous random variable. Equal tak equal, sama sahaja. Jangan pening-pening. Therefore, what you want is probability of Z more than K is equals to 0.05. So, boleh cari K? What is your value of K when the probability is 0.05, 5%? Look at the table, cari 0.05. Cari 0.05 dekat mana? 0.05. Oh, dekat sini. Ni 0.6. 0.05. This is too big. This is too big. Go to the right again. This is quite big also. Check. Find it to the smallest. Find the smallest there. Okay, find the smallest value, 0.05. 0.05. Okay, which one is the smallest between these two? Which one is the smallest? Have a think. The smallest to me is this one, because perbezaan di sini hanyalah 5. 0.0005. Tetapi perbezaan di sini adalah 0.0007. So, jawapan saya perlu highlightkan dia. This is the smallest, which is very rapat lah. Sangat rapat dengan 0.05 di sini. Itu je purpose saya cari. And then I gotta highlight it. This is what? This is 1.6 and this is 0.04. Therefore, my K is equals to 1.64. Apabila from the table, maybe we can write it nicely. From the table, our K is equals to 1.64.